What if I told you there exists a weapon so powerful it doesn't just destroy cities, it could change the entire planet itself? Not just buildings, not just countries, but oceans, atmosphere, and life as we know it. They call it Terranuke, a theoretical weapon so devastating that even scientists are afraid to fully simulate it. If this weapon is possible, why hasn't anyone built it yet? But here's the real question, and what would actually happen if someone did? Terranuke is not an official weapon. It's a concept, a terrifying idea born from combining nuclear physics, planetary science, and extreme military imagination. Unlike traditional nuclear bombs, which are measured in kilotons or megatons, a Terranuke would operate on an entirely different scale. Think beyond Hiroshima. Think beyond the Tsar Bomba, the largest nuclear explosion ever tested. Now imagine something thousands of times more powerful. A weapon designed not just to destroy a target, but to trigger planet-wide consequences. Massive atmospheric ignition, global firestorms, ocean boiling effects, or even crust-level destabilization. This isn't just warfare anymore. This is planetary destruction theory. To understand Terranuke, we need to understand energy. A nuclear bomb works by releasing energy from splitting or fusing atoms. But Terranuke? It goes a step further. Some theories suggest it could involve antimatter reactions, where matter and antimatter collide, releasing near total energy conversion, or triggering a runaway fusion reaction in Earth's atmosphere, or even exploiting geological weak points to amplify destruction across tectonic plates. Sounds like science fiction? Maybe. But here's the unsettling part. None of these ideas violate the laws of physics. They're just far beyond our current engineering capabilities. Let's imagine the unthinkable. A Terranuke is detonated. At first, it looks like any other explosion, a blinding flash. But within seconds, the sky ignites. Shockwaves circle the Earth. Entire regions vanish instantly. Then things get worse. The atmosphere begins to heat uncontrollably, leading to global firestorms. Oceans absorb massive heat, disrupting currents, killing marine life. Ash and debris block sunlight, triggering a nuclear winter. Food chains collapse. Temperatures crash. Civilization breaks down. And within weeks, human survival becomes uncertain, not because of the explosion itself, but because of everything that follows. So why hasn't anyone built a Terranuke? Simple. The energy requirements are beyond anything we can currently control. The risks are uncontrollable, even for the attacker, and global systems would collapse, including their own survival. In other words, using such a weapon would be mutual extinction. Even during the Cold War, when tensions were at their peak, humanity stopped short of total annihilation, because some lines, once crossed, can never be undone. Terranuke may not exist today, but the idea of it reveals something important. We now live in an age where human intelligence is powerful enough to imagine the end of everything. The real question isn't, can we build it? The real question is, should we ever come close? Because the most dangerous weapon is not the one we create, it's the one we're willing to use. If this video made you think, consider subscribing, because the next story might be even more real than this one.